Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Quick general love reading for my friends Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So let's find out together what's coming through for you. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus in the love arena. Let's see what we can get for you guys. And we are ready. So your energies: Seven of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Three of Swords, Death card. Your person's energies: Knight of Cups, Hanged Man, the Devil, and the Nine of Swords. Meeting energies: the Emperor, the Tower, Two of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. Our focus: Five of Cups. Bottom of the deck: King of Pentacles. An energy about commitment, but guys, basically, unfortunately, in this flow, this person broke your heart. You can still be willing to wait for an apology, but if the apology doesn't come sooner rather than later, the Death card can work as a revolutionary change, so it can be over. It's not over yet, but almost. The Knight of Cups, which can be an apology, is a concept. This person is stuck. Hanged Man, devilish cycle. It can be a pattern for them. They cannot think things straight. And this can be truly a problem for the connection. That's why the Tower can fall down. Bottom of the King of Pentacles, we have the Three of Cups. This can be about a third-party scenario, guys, and it is also possible that the Three of Cups energy is the source of disappointments for the figure in the Five of Cups. The Emperor is about taking charge and action, because at some point we have to break free from the Two of Pentacles loop, which is fueled by the Devil also. The Four of Pentacles can be about stubbornness coming from this person, and also the decision to protect your heart coming from some of you. Unlikely. Ask for help from others, even the opportunity to ask for advice. And romance, we are talking about that after all. Girl with a snake. It fits this energy flow. Empath and narcissist paradigm. Being charmed or used. Enable boundaries. Mirror. Mirroring each other. Self-image. Relationships reflect our wounds. Introspection. The mirror factor can also be about this. If this person is not taking action because of the Hanged Man standby, you are doing the same, meaning that you are not calling them, you are not texting them, you are not looking for them. You want to see what they are willing to do, and this person is playing with fire, basically. Heart with a key, welcoming love, meeting the one, open your heart, getting together, perfect. Maybe this was an idea in favor of the connection, kind of the opportunity to build something together. Unfortunately, there was something that went wrong, big time. Stabbed in the back, heartbreak, Three of Swords, pain, separation, deception, shocking attack. At some point, your patience can run out, guys. For me, patience is a powerful virtue. It can make all the difference, but you know, considering how challenging these energies can be, an apology seems to be the bare minimum, you know. and this person is struggling with their mind because of the Nine of Swords. Ace of Wands, this is what they can bring, but this is not going to make the cut. Six of Cups, memories, I would say. This is my favorite card in the deck, all about the purest of hearts. If that's the case, considering the Devil, we have a problem, because this person may not be able to figure out a way to honor the connection with you guys, and this can be an obstacle. Page of Pentacles, lovely token, yes, but it seems something that is not really tangible. Six of Pentacles, one man up, one man down dynamic. If we are looking at a connection challenged by a third-party situation, this person basically disrespected you guys. They took advantage of a situation, and the one man up, one man down dynamic that they created as a price. Let's see your side. Ten of Swords. Rough energy, guys, considering the Three of Swords and the Tower. 100%. It's a betrayal. Stabbed in the back. The figure has 10 swords in his back. It can be a pattern. For some of you, unfortunately, the Ace of Wands becomes what this person was pursuing with other people. They can be addicted to sex and lust. They basically cannot give the proper importance to the emotional side of a connection. For them, it's just a physical deal, you know? And some of you can be extremely hurt and disappointed with the realization, you know? Let's talk about the realization, judgment. This can even be the object of an evaluation. Second chance or not, it seems difficult, guys. And the judgment is also a divine truth. The Sun, what can be found once everything has been said and done, considering the Ten of Swords? As I usually say, challenging completion, the Ten of Swords, but there is still a new dawn on the horizon. The sun will rise up again. New opportunities can come up, but first we have to go through a completion, and the Death card can describe it. Even the Tower can do that. Seven of Swords, big problem, guys. Lies, betrayals, deceits. It can be an affair. You may have found out. The Seven of Pentacles can even be a matter of time, meaning that the situation was unfolding for quite some time. We can say that now. Let's see the meeting. The foundations of the Tower do not seem to be strong enough to stand. Here we go. Two of Pentacles, recurrent energy. Hanged Man. The standby that this person is experiencing is not going to play in favor of the opportunity to save the connection with you guys. Ace of Swords, this is a conversation, truth and clarity. Some of you may have the chance to not just call out this person, but also let them know that it's over, it's done, there is no going back. King of Pentacles. It can be the energy of the connection, you know. if you were living together, this person messed up big time. They ruined everything. And if you were together but without living in the same house, this person was entertaining other connections, truly taking advantage of you guys, but also of the other people, let's say. They couldn't think, you know, they were influenced, kinda intoxicated by the devilish energy. They can be someone that can charm other people in order to use them. And some of you can even say this to this person: you took advantage of me and you used me in order to gain something, even in order to gain physical pleasure from the opportunity to be together. Some of you are done. 9 of Pentacles, single lady, single status moving forward. It is for the better, guys. I have to say that I can understand the disappointment. I will not try to sugarcoat the harsh energies that can be involved in this flow of energies indeed. But you know, this one is not a fair companion, and the lady is looking for someone that can share virtues, values, and aspirations, something that we can even associate to the 6 of Cups energy. We cannot settle for a connection like this one. It's unfair, it's not respectful, not healthy, and the Tower can even be a blessing in disguise, because the end of a connection like this one can allow some of you guys to move on in order to find something better. So it's unlikely to save the day when it comes to this connection. Breaking free. It's for the better, guys. Don't look back also. So, I hope that I made myself clear and this was helpful. Let us know if you resonate. Comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I wish you the best. Take very good care of you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.